Hey guys, welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to join Telegram group with QR code. Without further ado, let's get started. Now, for example, you have received a QR code invite from your friend and you want to join that Telegram group. So you can just basically save that QR code on your phone. And for example, I'm just going to search a random QR code of a Telegram group on Safari. And so I found this one. So what you're going to do is to save that QR code on your phone. So I'm just going to save this to my camera roll. Click on Save the Photos right here and go to my Photos app. Now, once you have opened that QR code photo on your camera roll, what you're simply going to have to do is to just press and hold on the QR code right here because your iPhone will automatically scan that. So for example, I'm going to press and hold on this QR code symbol and the option to open in Telegram should appear. So just tap on open in Telegram. And then you can basically see that group on Telegram and you can then click on join group right here at the bottom mid of your screen. Now, if your phone does not have like the automatic scanner for QR codes, you can go to your App Store or your Play Store and search for QR code scanners and use that to scan the QR code of that specific Telegram group, and then you should be able to join that specific group.
So that is all for this tutorial. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. Thank you all for watching and have a great day.